Well, I started a little late getting video footage, so we already got the first step in. What we did was do 3 sides, blocks like this, railroad ties, 3 of them, taps them together, put it in, filled back in, and put 2 pavers. And now I'll start showing you actual work.
Which side is up? That definitely is in, but
Yeah, that should be in.
I think that there's some bits.
Yeah, that's fine right there. That's good.
This one's short. Stick out. That's too wide though. 25 to 26. That needs to swing in. I think I'm going to connect that one because that's sitting really good right there. Show how I process.
Yep. Morning.
Drill hole.
Song in foreign language.
So he drills the hole, and he's putting some grease on it, on the screw, because it was getting bound up because it's such a long screw. You can also use soap to lubricate the screw. How far in is that?
That's where I got the long ones because I had some 6-inch ones. I think this end is more rotten overall. Top wasn't quite as
As
bad.
long as it bites into this, right, is what matters.
Visit suncozy.com or 476-416-419.
Check my distance here.
Along with building these steps, we are also going to put railing right along here using 3 4x4 posts, 8 feet long. Go down 2 feet, that should be about the right height. On the top of them I want to put some solar lights. So that's our plan for along these steps that we're building. Some rocks down in the hole too. Have to get these out or the post hole digger does not work. Have to make the hole wider because I had this big rock in there. So it's not a beautiful hole like I usually like to do. It's a little messed up. Now we go check. That's level and square with the steps. And fill in the dirt. Always good to kick a little bit in there to help you as you stabilize it. And then what we'll do is we'll make the other 2 posts in line with this one once this one's done. You do need a long stick to tamp it down. Fill in all those air pockets. And recheck. A little bit. I'll check on the other side of the post just in case. I'll also come back and use a big tamper to tamp all this down. But I say this post is all set. These 2 posts are just in the holes, have not leveled them or squared them off. We're going to use this 2x4 to make sure the faces are squared off, because at some point I'm going to put a railing here. So I want to make sure that they all line up with each other. So we're going to use the 2x4 to help us out with that.
You want it to be level across, or does it matter? Like,
That doesn't matter because we're not going to.
so I just have it sort of simulate a rail.
Yep. But we can't hook this one until we get that one. It's really set, but we could probably just maybe set it down here to help.
Because once you get that positioning, I should actually hook this. So it doesn't move.
So that's perfect. Hold on, let me show you another.
Start it. As long as you have the front to back, double check the front to back.
It has a window
Okay,
shut.
so this is good still?
Yep. screws that we're using. So we got some gold ones. Maybe we'll swap them out at some point. We don't have as long a ones, so we are just cornering them in.
Fill in. Alright, now we fragile thing. This was the side up.
So I'm putting rocks up against both sides of this one. That side has the post. I'll have a rock on this side. We're going to put pavers right through, probably 3 pavers like on the bottom right here. So that's what I'm working on right now. These steps are finally done, and it really didn't cost us much because we reused these from an old garden. Some of them were pretty rotten, so it was a little difficult to get it all perfect, but I think I'm pretty happy with how this came out. All it cost us were the posts and the pavers and the lights. Check out our next video if you want to learn more about gardening. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.